I remember when I was a kid, there would be this block of shows on Cartoon Network. Because, you know, as a kid, for me at least, it was Disney Channel, Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network. There was always this block of cartoons at the time. That's what I thought they were. And they were always different, right? They were always a little more hardly drawn. They were always like just more nitty gritty. They were just better than the average shows that would play all day. When I was a kid, that block of shows that started was called Toonami.
金もない学もない先行きすら真っ暗いこの街に生まれ落ちた時点で未来なんてない光はあるのかそりゃどこかにはあるかもでも未だ迷子迷路どの道を行けど曲がり角割れた窓なく赤子の声が響くこのゲトマジヘドが出るぜ俺ら飛び出すその先へとだけど未だ抜け出すことできないまるで卵の殻に閉じ込める
Let's just say from 1997 onward, that's where my love of anime started. Like, that's where I fell in love with the Rurouni Kenshins, the Gundam Wings, Dragon Ball Z's, like you name it, that's where my love of anime started. And it hasn't stopped. Every single week, I always have someone who always says like, dog, watch something else. Why are you always watching anime? It's like, because I like watching anime, bro. And like, it's not all I watch, but it's definitely a big part of what I watch. So I figured, if I like anime, and a bunch of other people like anime, and there's a growing anime culture in Yard, why not highlight it, right? I like making videos, I like interviewing people. Check the link below for the podcast. And I figured, fuck it. The Jamaican Pree, it's a par, just like if you were under the tree. We're par, when I talk about anime, I'll interview cool people that like you guys want me to interview. I'll talk about animes that like everybody wants, and like especially me. If I don't like the anime, I'm gonna make you know it, because I don't like all of them. But yeah, dog, I hope you guys like this Pree. Subscribe, share with your friends, like below, share. First episode coming end of week, and it's gonna be about the Promised Neverland. So hey guys, thank you. Out.